Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one we're doing mortality with a summary hospital level mortality indicator data. So let's dive into that. You can see that we've got data going back to March 2011. There's 1.8 million rows so far. This is a list of the tables. Have a quick read of those descriptions. Pause the video to have a look. There's also an additional relatively new COVID-19 one here. I've got a bit carried away and queried all these tables, so let's just quickly go through them all. So you've got deaths occurring in and outside hospital. So you've just taken note of the headings each time I go through each table, so you can see the detail. Deaths split by deprivation quintile. Deaths within 30 days with elective care. Non-elective care as well. Diagnosis group breakdown. Now you notice that these got the diagnosis groups here. You use this table to discover what those diagnosis groups mean. Indicator site level data. So you've got the site codes, that's the individual hospitals. This is the sort of main table, the indicator table. Mean depth of coding for elective admissions. Mean depth of coding for non-elective admissions. SHMI model fit. This is the different. There's lots of columns in this one. So if I just scroll, you can see most of the columns here. So pause the video to have a look at that, and also scroll down. That's the rest of them there. So useful data set there. The model predict, and that's the column headings in this one. Percentage of deaths with palliative care coding. You've got a few columns there. Palliative care coding, provider spells, palliative care coding. Percentage of provider spells with COVID-19 coding. Percentage of provider spells with site of treatment change. Provider spells with their primary diagnosis, symptoms or sign. Provider spells with an invalid diagnosis code. Provider spells compared to the pre-pandemic. That's before the COVID-19 pandemic. And spells split by deprivation quintile. There's the column headings there. So that's that. Thanks.